Hello friends, this is Pradeep here. I am going to tell you how you can implement the functionality of time and date limit in Google Form. Means suppose you have created a Google Form and you want that Google Form should be closed automatically on a specific date and time. Then how you can do it? In this video I will tell you every step. Now let us start the video and also try to follow my step what I am doing in this video. Firstly, you have to select your Google Form. So just I have click on the go to Google Form and you have to log in by the ID in which you have created your Google Form. Suppose you have created from your personal email ID, then firstly you have to log in with your personal mail ID. Suppose I want to change my email ID here because I have created some Google Form by using this ID. That's why I have chosen this. Okay. Whatever Google Form I have created using this email ID, that will be appear here in this screen. Just wait because this is only duty internet connectivity. Now you can see here there are multiple number of Google Form which I have already created. Just I open this. Now just I am going to tell you very very easiest way how you can implement date limit and time limit in Google Form. Suppose I have opened a Google Form here. You can see here this is Google Form. Now what happened, I have not implement any date and time limit on this because means that after 5 days you want to open this form, definitely you can open it. Also you can submit it by answering this question. But I have to implement some time and date after that time and date nobody can submit this form. Then you have to implement some date and time limit. So what you have to do, just you have to click here. Click here. Basically, just I am going to use some add-ons. When we click here, we get some option. You can see here there is a add-ons. You have to click on add-ons. Actually, just wait because net is so slow, so that's why I am facing some problem. Method is that we have to install a add-ons in this form to implement this functionality. Here you can find many add-ons which is available to implement in Google Form. So just wait. Here cursor is moving. So here you can see there are many types of add-ons. So you have to select this form limiter. Okay, sorry. Then you have to install this. Click on here. Just press on continue, and you have to allow. There is some functionality, and you have to allow. Firstly, you have to select your email ID, from which email ID you are working. So just I have select this one because I have created Google Form using this email ID. Now there will be some option you have to make allow in every option. Then we move forward. Here just scroll down and allow. You have to do after installing the form limiter. Now this will be automatically closed. Now we got just a message that form limiter has been installed. Now just press on done. We press done. Just try to close it. Now what you have to do, just click on here. This is basically symbol of add-ons. And now you have to select form limiter. Here click on set limit. You get some option. Here is a pop-up window is open. Now we have to set date and time. We can select date from here. Suppose I have selected 11 June. Here you can select any time AM PM. Suppose I have select 2 AM 2 PM. Now just set, and here you can change this message if you want. Otherwise after this time and date, a message will be displayed. This form is no longer accepting responses and has been set to automatically close by Gmail ID. If you want change here, you can change. Suppose I have changed here the knowledge adda. What happened? Okay, someone is just going to access the form after this time and date. He or she will get this message. Now just make it save and enable. Okay, thus this time limit and date limit has been implemented on this form. Now what you have to do, suppose you want to share this form to anyone. Now just you have to press click on the send. I think we have already discussed many times how we can create a Google form, how we can share everything. We have already discussed, and also you have discussed how to generate a certificate. So I think you are much aware of this. Now after making it save and enable, just you have to close this form, and then just press on send, and whatever whoever you want to send this form, you can send. What happened after this date and time, this form will not open. He or she will get a message this form is now not getting any responses because this form is closed by the knowledge adda. So by following this type tips, we can implement date and time in any Google form. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.